This is Hisham EL Sherbiny, the wake-up coach. And again and over and over. Breaking barriers comes through dedication, pain, putting your mind into it. If it's not fun, it's not worth doing. If it's fun, you're gonna bear the pain, you break barriers. At the end of the day, you only get better. And your only limitation, like whoever said that, is here. It's always correct. Reach out to my tribe. Get to know how to become an animal. Work out like never before. Get to know people, more people like this. At the end of the day, you just gotta live once. So you better enjoy it. Training, food, freaking dedication. And you guess what? It can just be around 1 hour. 1 hour per training. Reach out to me, I will connect you. Whew!